It's a good thing that you found this video. I'm going to show you 5 important things that I wish I knew before starting an affiliate marketing business. And this way you can make sure your business is actually going to be profitable. I promise you, I wish I knew these things before I had started my affiliate marketing business. Oh my goodness. So trust me when I say you literally want to watch this entire video. Listen, I promise you, after you watch this video, that you are definitely going to get 3 things. 1, you are going to discover the best content to make for your affiliate marketing business. 2, how to be more strategic in your business. And 3, of course, if you do those first 2, then how to generate more money in your business. Trust me. Listen, are you ready to just get started and dig into this video? All right, let's do it. I'm always being asked, is affiliate marketing really worth it? Yes, affiliate marketing is worth it. Given its growth and popularity, estimates the affiliate marketing industry will be worth $8.2 billion by 2022, up from $5.4 billion in 2017. And I've also seen stuff that's actually supposed to be where it goes even higher. It's also a low to no cost business venture that you can profit from immensely. The first thing I wish I knew before starting affiliate marketing is to invest in yourself. I literally went the very first year of affiliate marketing and I made this. And a lot of people do. They just won't admit it. I don't care. But it's because I didn't know what to do. I didn't have any help. I didn't have any guidance. I didn't have a course. I had nothing. So not only did I make 0, I was like negative, because in affiliate marketing, if you do it the right way where you collect leads, you usually have to have a funnel. And then 2, you usually have to have some type of autoresponder. So not only did I not make anything, I also was paying monthly for all of the software, which can be pretty expensive. Eventually, I learned that you have to invest in yourself to really get anywhere. So what I did is I found a course. I don't remember, it was like $1,000, $1,500. And it was amazing. And it taught me so much stuff. But the bad thing is I wasn't able to ask questions. There wasn't like a live coach. There was no training where that was live or anywhere that you could ask. So I had some great training, which it really was great, but I had nowhere to go. So not only did I learn a lesson there, well then I got into YouTube, and then I was learning you had to buy a course. So I bought a course for YouTube. I have courses for everything now. But I eventually found out that you have to get a course that has coaching. So you need to invest in yourself. And I don't care what niche this is. Find a course or program that has coaching. I think coaching is the most important thing. You could even be coached more than anything. So for a perfect program would be one that actually does have a course with videos, step by step, and it also has video where you can ask the person, like on a Zoom call or some type of like a group thing where you can go in and ask people the questions and actually get your stuff answered. And you also want to check and see, like if it's a huge program, a lot of times the customer service may not be that great, and so you want to check on that as well. So the truth is, I would have grew a lot faster if I had been able to have some coaching. Number 2 is to not give up. You would think that would be so easy, duh, just don't give up and keep going. Well, what people do not realize, and they're not being told, is the hardest part of affiliate marketing is in the very beginning. And especially if it doesn't have any done for you services or anything, because you have to deal with funnels, and then you have to do autoresponders, and then you have to tie your funnel to your autoresponder. And I have an IT background, and I didn't even realize that when you get into all of this, it didn't really help me, because I was still confused and I was lost, and I cried because the autoresponder it stressed me out more than anything. I know. But I was like, I just want to give up. This is horrible. And then not just the software can which, don't let that get in your way. But it doesn't just get in your way. But listen to me. You have to keep going. And what I mean by that is when you first start, and forget the software, when you first start with affiliate marketing, You may not get no sales. And this is if you're doing it right, not with Shelly trying to figure out how to do stuff on YouTube. But get in there, and like if you're doing a course, get in and dig in. If it says to do something in the very beginning, do it. Do it as you're going through the course. Don't go through the whole course and be like, then I'm gonna go back, because you're gonna forget everything, I promise. But when you first start, it might be kind of slow because people don't know who you are. You're building up your rapport, letting people get to know you. And the longer that you do it, the better that you're going to be. So in the beginning, you're not making any money and you're not seeing income, but it's okay. Just hang in there. And as long as you stay consistent, I promise you, it'll keep coming in. But don't forget, you're there to help others. If you're there trying to just make money, then you really need to get out of it. Number 3 is creating content. Now, I'm gonna give you the key to creating content. Are you ready? Value, value, value. Yes. And if you're new and you are struggling and you're not making any sales, start giving value that can really help someone. Whether, again, I was talking about, tech part, you could give some tech troubleshooting that has to do with affiliate marketing, or some tips, some tricks, anything. But give the value, but give real value, not some bogus crap. Give something that can really help someone. You need to try to think about what your customer would really buy, would really want, and what they would search for before buying that product. And I say search because a lot of times, whether you're doing YouTube or TikTok or even a blog, it gets found by searching, like someone's searching in Google. I've had 3 people tell me that this last week that they found, it's a video TikTok of mine, and it was in the sun or something like that, which was pretty cool. But they found it from searching. I know you're probably thinking, but Shelly, I don't know what to write about or what to do a video about that people would actually be searching for. Well, this will help you. If you go to answerthepublic.com, and I typed in affiliate marketing, and you can look right here. This will tell you all of the stuff that people are looking for. That's all you need. This is the best tool that I can tell you to use, I promise. You could do a video, you could do an article about every single one of these. Now let's talk a little more about creating content. Do you like to write? Do you like to do videos? Do you like to dance? Do you like to be funny? I ask because if you don't like to be on camera and you like to write, blogs would be completely up your alley. If you like to do like I'm doing, I'm sitting here and I'm on a YouTube video, then YouTube is your thing. If you like to be kind of silly and dance, TikTok might be your thing. So you find, and I'll talk more about this later in the video, but you find that what you actually like, because you don't want to end up doing this forever and it be something that you don't like and you're stuck with it. Like I tried the whole writing thing. Again, I'll talk more about this later. Didn't work. So let's just use YouTube. You choose to do YouTube because you want to do videos. Well, let's just say you're like, this is it. I am going to do a video. I'm going to do a video a week and I'm going to create some great content. Well, if you can do great content that gives value, remember, value, then tell yourself you're going to do a video a week. But then if you can, tell yourself you can do even better than that and then go for 2 videos. No, don't get carried away because there's a lot of times we'll use YouTube. And I have seen people, they're doing a video every single day. But and it's okay, but it's great. It's not, the content's not awesome. They're not, they're not really giving as much value. Well, it would be better to do 1 or 2 videos a week than to do 5 if it's not all that great. Does that make sense? TikTok as well. I've seen people that's like, you need to post 6 times a day. I posted once today. It's all I'm going to post. And it's like already at 22,000 views. So I'm just saying, post smart. Post smart. Number 4 is promoting too many products. I've seen a lot of people do this. Now you have your audience and your audience gets to know you and they get to know what you promote. If you're promoting all of this kind of stuff that's just like, oh, I'm promoting, I don't know, A here and B here and C here, and they're like, this person doesn't believe in any of the products that they're promoting because they're just trying to just promote tons of stuff that's all around, and then you don't end up making anything. I suggest stick to 1 or 2 main, I'm going to say that again, main products. This is going to be called your flagship products. So like, say you're promoting like a major course or something. That's going to be your flagship. And I also suggest that whatever you promote that you have used. I don't promote anything that I don't use or that I'm not in. So get in a program. This is the best ideal thing, is to actually get into a program that teaches you and that can help you and can help other people too. So if you see someone that's doing great, you know, all of these people are getting results, then you should get in that program. And then it's even cooler is if then you get in it and you're learning and you like it, then you can promote it. Then promote the exact same program. Then you believe in it. If it's helping anybody, it's helping you. And then not only do you believe in it, then it's going to be easier for you to talk about it and to teach. Make sense? Number 5 is to focus on one platform. Now, this is where I have gotten in trouble the most. I'm going to use me as an example. I've had tons of huge 7-figure earners to tell me, Shelly, you're trying to be everywhere too fast. I got more hand slapped from this than anything, because I started with Facebook, and then I started liking video, and I started doing YouTube. Then I was like, well, then I want to be here, and then I want to be there, and oh, I want to do this, and I started the blog, and I wanted to do this, and I was just like, oh my gosh, which I was stressed out, and I would reach out for help, and I wasn't making any money, and I would be like, oh, what am I doing? And you know, I guess they say in marketing, you have to be told like so many times before you listen. Well, this was me too. I'm like, I had to literally be told so many times. And the funny thing is I even got to a certain point where I was helping, tons of people get 6 figures. And, you know, they're like, oh, thanks, Shelly. And they'd be like, oh, so how good are you doing? And I'm like, I'm not even to 6 figures yet. And they were like, I don't understand. And I knew what I was doing. And I was like, well, I'm not doing what I'm teaching you to do. And what I was doing is I was teaching them to get on one platform, nail it, get it done, memorized, learned inside and out. Because remember, we're in this to help others. So then if anybody else has any issues in your program, or if they were doing YouTube or anything like that, you can help them too. So say I chose YouTube and you choose YouTube, then focus on YouTube. Get it down, start making money. And then when you're doing good, and then you venture to the next, okay? Don't make Shelly's mistakes at all that Shelly did in this video. So if I was to do it from the beginning, that is what I would do. And I'm telling you, I've been told time and time again, you're trying to be everywhere. And I was trying to be everywhere way too fast. So slow down. Slow down. Hey, it's okay, I did it too. And just conquer one platform at a time. All right, friends, I hope you liked this. I hope it helped. Do me a favor. If any of these are something that has helped you or that you're going to work on, do me a favor and let me know in the comments, just so I know, because I'm curious, because I've been there, and maybe I can still help. If you need my help with something, that I can help you with one of these as well, okay? Now, I want to tell you, of course, to subscribe to my channel if you are not a subscriber, and punch that notification bell. That way you get notified every time one of these videos kind of pops up. You know what I'm saying? Helps you out. Yeah, okay. And like the video, that helps me too. Now, I want to tell you that if you click the first link in the bio, if you're interested on what my flagship program is, that I think is number 1, I love it, because not only has it helped, again, I've seen so many people get farther and more successful than I have ever any program. And when I first started promoting it, I literally made $10K in 5 weeks. And that was just starting to promote it. So anyways, check it out. If you have any questions, just let me know. And you know, I think that you're gonna like the next video if you liked this one. So what are you waiting for? Just keep going. Go ahead and go to the next video, because it's about affiliate marketing as well. And I'm gonna see you in it, because I'm there. Get it? I'm in there. I'm in there.